neighbors, kamusta po kayong lahat? Sobrang na-miss namin kayo. And syempre, you guys are still with me, Nixon. And right now, I'm with a very special co-host for this episode.
Hi everyone! I am Sabrina, ang inyong bagong neighbor. Kachika nga dito sa AllHome SOMO. Woo!
Yes, that's right. We are here now in AllHome SOMO or South Molino dito sa Cavite. And syempre, we are here again to feature a very good item na matatagpuan ninyo dito, hindi lang pala dito, but also sa lahat ng AllHome nationwide. Alam mo, Sabang, super excited sila. Every time that we do an episode, lagi tayong may pa-review para naman matulungan natin sila ng pag-decide what to purchase here in AllHome. And for this specific episode, we're gonna be reviewing Andalusia two-seater recliner. So ito na nga yun.
Yes! Ayan o, bongga!
And mga neighbors, kanina pa namin ine-enjoy ito nga, Andalusia Recliner na ito. And mamaya, mapapakita namin sa inyo ang iba't ibang mga features na magugustuhan din ninyo. And for sure, baka mabudol pa namin kayo.
Hashtag budol ng 2022, ganon!
That's right.
Yes.
But syempre, bago namin pakita sa inyo, gusto naming malaman, gusto ko munang malaman, what is your personal favorite na feature nitong Andalusia two-seater recliner?
Thank you naman at tinanong mo ako dyan, Nixon. Alam mo, kanina pa nga talaga ako nang-excite na i-share nga ito sa ating manonood. This one, itong Cupholder. Kasi it's really unusual, no? Kapag tayo nga ay merong mga couches at home. And at the same time, diba, mga recliner seats natin. And good thing na meron nga tayong tinatawag ngayon ng Cupholder na pwedeng, alam mo yun, mag-relax ka. And then you're gonna binge-watch your favorite series at home. Tapos habang tayo ay nag-binge-watch at pwede nang magchikahan, pwede mo nga lang namang ilagay dyan ang iyong perfect coffee.
Coffee man yan,
yes,
soda or whatever
soda,
drink
whatever.
you prefer.
Totoo.
At alam mo, ako aminin ko na, first time ko nakaupo sa ganitong recliner kapag medyo mahal ang binayad mo sa sinihan.
Ay, oo nga.
Di ba? Yung mga
yes.
ganito. So, super happy kami na right now, you can bring this at home, in your home, definitely, kahit ano at kailan mo gustuhin. Pwede mo siyang ma-experience. At
diba?
syempre, ako naman, tanungin mo naman ako.
Wait lang, dadagdag ko lang naman dyan, yung tinatawag natin na hashtag, feel that movie experience at home.
Exactly.
Diba?
Lalong-lalo na kung ang movie house sa bahay ninyo is hindi naman ganun kalaki yung room, yung entertainment area. Definitely good for two people, whether you're with your husband or boyfriend pala.
With a friend,
or anak mo, diba? Or yung mga anak mo, chikiting mo, pwedeng ma-enjoy ang recliner na ito. At syempre ako naman, ang personal favorite ko dito is this pa din. Because definitely, this serve as a storage and also a little organizer pa rin. Kasi kahit papaano, mas okay na organize tayo lahat ng gamit natin sa bahay. Especially if you guys have a lot of remote controls. So pwede nyo ilagay yung mga controllers.
Oo, dali lang yan. You know what, Nixon at home. Siyempre, diba, nangyari sa atin na misplace natin. Aminin nyo yan, yung mga manonood natin. Ang daming misplace na items. Lalong-lalo niya yung mga handy items natin.
Right.
So, pwede naman natin na isalpak lang natin, ilagay lang natin dito while we watch our favorite movies at home. And then, sasara lang natin and we're good to go. Oh,
like
diba?
This,
Just
diba?
like that.
And syempre, if you feel tired, not just your eyes, but your entire body, sabay tayo.
Ay, gusto ko
sabay
yan.
Tayo.
Okay.
Our both personal favorite also.
Okay.
So, in 3, 2, 1... best part of having this recliner at home. Definitely, it offers you comfort and syempre, not just that, good for relaxation. Kasi definitely, yung mga millennials like us, mommies and daddies like you, super hardworking ninyo, definitely deserve ninyo to, hindi lang because of the entertainment part, but definitely relaxation and of course, leisure. So kaya naman, if you want this at home, kaya mo ba yun?
Wait lang, tatry ko ha. Parang, ayan, okay. Nagawa ko naman, guys.
So guys, if you want this at home, here is Sabrina to tell you on how to get this.
Of course, if you want this at home, all you have to do is download the AllHome app. Siyempre, sa ating mga app stores and Google stores. Ayan. Pwede nyo na nga i-download. And you can also follow us on our official Facebook and Instagram page as well.
And not only that, yan, nakita nyo sa screen, no? kung ano yung mga handles natin. But definitely, another thing that you can do, you can also visit our website at www.allhome.com.ph. At syempre pa, itong mga recliner nito, tulad nga nitong Andalusia, available to sa lahat ng AllHome store nationwide. Kaya naman, magkita-kita po tayo ulit at sana masundan ninyo ang next episode natin. Kasama pa rin hopefully si Sabrina.
Yes, ayun na nga. Once again, I am Sabrina, ang inyong bago ngang kachika na neighbor dito sa AllHome.
At syempre, this has been your host pa rin, Nixon Serrano II. Till our next episode, mga ka-buddies.